for pickup?
Go ahead.
Alright, let me put my husband on. He's out in the garage working on his truck. He even used to do the commercials, the monster truck commercials in the 80s. He's all involved in monster trucks. I don't get it sometimes.
Ain't no monster trucks in Field, man. We don't allow that around here.
Hold up. Ray, tell him the pizza you want.
Large bites go. Extra cheese, pepperoni, onions, peppers, sausage.
You have that?
I heard some say pepperoni sausage, extra cheese.
I said I wanted a pizza.
Oh, I can't talk to him. Oh, what can't you tell me?
What can't you understand?
Cause I can't understand what he's talking about, no monster truck. I'm not. You want some chicken? What's your home phone number?
Give him our home phone number, Ray.
Why can't you just tell me what kind of pizza your husband wants? Cause I can't understand what your husband's saying.
He's here. Ray, tell her what kind of monster truck you'll be picking the pizza up with. Hey, since I can't understand him, call 636-55.